Hello and welcome to this next BaconBit video. I'm very excited about this one. Let me show you how excited I am, in fact. Right there. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's how excited I am about this. That flavor you can feel is exactly +2 how excited I am. So let's get to it. You'll notice now that we're looking at Bacon 4.1. And what we're going to do today is use the MDM device management control now inside Bacon to shut down an iPhone. It's so easy, it's so fast. Let's get to it. First, let me show you my iPhone. There it is. This is a live iPhone. This is not a pre-recorded video. I know you're thinking, well, he's probably just saying that, and it actually is a pre-recorded video, but I can guarantee it's not. We're going to go to VPN and device management, and then show the mobile device management enrollment profile. You'll see it is a Bacon enrollment profile. I could remove it down here if it lets me, but I'm not going to do that. That's a different BaconBit video for now. I just did want to show you that this is under MDM control. And it's a managed supervised device. So now, let's go to the MDM devices table. You'll see over here on the left, this is new table as part of the Bacon 4.1 release. MDM devices. I'm going to scoot over my phone so you can see. Let's actually make this a little bit smaller too. There we go. Oh, moving this thing around. Perfect. Alright. The phone, let's actually make sure we do this step by step so everyone knows exactly what's going on. There's no shenanigans. The name of the iPhone is right there. It's A. Britton iPhone - Hawthorne. And here is that same phone right up here, A. Britton iPhone Hawthorne. And let's shut it down right there. We get this pop-up because this is what I like to consider a more extreme management action. We do have a 5-second countdown ensuring that this is not shut down on accident through a fat finger button click. Click OK. Let's go view the jobs. While we're doing that, I'm going to increase the size of my window here a little bit, just so we can watch what's going on while I look up. There it goes. So let's look at these jobs. It's already done. And the return text from the MDM service is device A. Britton iPhone Hawthorne has been shut down. It was that easy. And so again, that's why I'm very excited about this. I can't wait for everyone to try out our new MDM control. It's just that easy. It works so nice. So there you go. I'll leave you with that. The flavor of bacon gets better and stronger with each new release. Stay crispy, stay salty, go bacon.